Welcome back to the bench. So I made a case for the SuperComDuino. It's printed out of PLA. It's got 3 parts: a basic box, a back spine and a base. The spine has a ball joint in it, so I can adjust the viewing angle. So let's open it up. It's just got a simple press fit lid. Inside are the components, displays, and the Arduino. They slide into some slots. There's a hole for the switch. I just used a basic push button switch that I had lying around. And there's just a little hole for the USB plug to go out of. The case was designed in Fusion 360, printed on a Prusa i3 Mark II. Many thanks as always to my good friend Nigel for printing this for me. Here are the 3 parts. Well, 4 parts. This is actually made into 2 different parts. There's some screws in here, which I'll remove now. And these have been tapped M4 because I like to use M4, but you could use any kind of self-tapping screw as well. It worked just as well. This metal ring reinforces the ball joint, which wasn't quite strong enough. It's a good fit, but it's PLA, so it wears out and it just goes off floppy. So what I ended up doing was adding this little ring. It's just a basic key ring. It just happened to be exactly the right size.